Hello, I'm going to show you how to install a paid WordPress theme. There are a lot of places to buy themes, but I bought mine from Theme Forest. You can browse the categories and find one that fits your needs. Once you find one, you can click the preview button to see what it would look like before you commit to buying it. I recommend only buying themes that offer future updates and customer support. After you purchase it, you can find that file in your account downloads. Then click download and get the installable WordPress file. Go to themes under the appearance menu in the WordPress dashboard and click upload at the top and then click upload theme. Find the zip file that you just downloaded and click install. It should say theme installed successfully and then you can activate it. Most paid themes will have a setup wizard. I recommend using the setup wizard to get the most out of the theme. Downloading a theme is pretty straightforward. If you need a theme or website hosting, you can use my links in the description and it would help me out. I appreciate any support. Thanks for watching.